The opinions expressed in the following program are not necessarily those of Eastlink TV, its sponsors, or partners.
Hello, my name is Doran. I'm one of the staff scientists that works at Science North on the 3rd floor, and I'm out here near Junction Creek to look at a research project that is currently being done by a community group called the Junction Creek Stewardship Committee. They're doing exciting research on turtles, so let's go and see.
Hi, my name's Sarah Woods. I'm the research manager with the Junction Creek Stewardship Committee. This summer we're conducting research on the 3 species of turtles that are in Junction Creek, the painted turtle, the snapping turtle, and the Blanding's turtle. And we're interested in knowing which areas of the watershed they're using, where they're overwintering, where they're laying their eggs. And we're concentrating our research on the snapping turtle and the Blanding's turtle because they're both listed on the Ontario Species at Risk list. So that means we are losing their populations provincially, throughout Canada and worldwide. So we're doing our best to learn more about how they're used in an urban environment. 7 of the 8 species of turtles in Ontario and 2 of the 3 in the Junction Creek watershed are listed as species at risk. So we're losing populations mainly because of habitat loss and because of road collisions. And in fact, the turtle that we caught here this morning to show you has suffered a major trauma in its history, and it's probably a road collision. And it was lucky enough to survive, but most of them do die because of being hit by vehicles. There are 3 parts to this research. The first is asking the community to participate and to report sightings of Blanding's turtles and snapping turtles within the watershed. And because of the input from the community, because of that engagement, we've discovered new populations of Blanding's turtles in the Junction Creek watershed, which is really exciting. The second part involves researchers going out to the wetlands to try to find new turtles and identify with those locations. And the third is by using radio telemetry. So we are able to follow their movements throughout the summer by tracking them, and we do that with a transmitter that's affixed to the turtle and a receiver that picks up that signal, and we're able to follow that signal to the turtle. And through that, we're able to learn more about the microhabitats they're using, where they're laying their eggs, and where they're overwintering, which is all really important information if we want to continue to have a healthy population of turtles in the Junction Creek watershed.
This is a great example of how a community group is using science to help wildlife. So this is a great example also to show that science doesn't have to be restricted to universities or research institutes. Anybody can be involved in science to help and better the world.
Wetlands provide homes for hundreds of species of birds and other wildlife, but these habitats are disappearing fast. We're doing something about it. Become a member today and help conserve Canada's wetlands. Ducks Unlimited Canada, active by nature.